I'm going to show you how to wrap this bonnet if you're on your own. Before I start, I just want to say this is a new film that I'm trying. It's called Fedrigoni. If you're from the UK, you can buy it from a company called Application Tape in Rochdale. They sell all sorts of stuff, from sign vinyl, window tint, garment vinyl, you name it. And they also offer next day delivery. That's for anyone from the UK. Okay, so now what I've done here, I have peeled a bit of this off. I've already peeled a bit of it off. Now this helps if you're wrapping on your own. So this is the way I do it. I do know a lot of people have different ways, but I'll show you the way I do it. So I'm just going to put this here. I'm going to tack it there. We're also going to see how good this film works. We're going to start to peel the backing liner off. It's coming off nice. Now this is the interesting part. We're going to see how easy it is to glass this film over. You know, I just realised, do you reckon on the camera they can see, you know, the wires coming out of the wall?
Nah, I can't. I think you can't see the bonnet.
Let me have a look. And now you can. Right guys, just to make you aware, all that work, you know, the plasterboard, the wire coming out the wall, you're going to have to ignore it for now. We're going for a revamp. Yeah. Right, okay. Just pull, yeah? Pull it tight. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah? That's perfect, isn't it? Literally, you know what? It's literally ready just for you to squeegee now.
Yeah, it is.
Considering how to lift it, the workshop is, I don't even know how hot you reckon it is. Must be like 30 degrees, man.
Yeah.
Yeah. Considering the workshop's boiling, it's still been so easy to apply. So I've applied the film. As you saw, I did have to lift it a few times. The reason being is because this unit is hot. Now, if it was cooler, this material would have slid nicely. You would have been able to glass it better. But it kind of shows why the climate of your workshop needs to be controlled. But it also shows the amount of times I lifted it, it was easy to lift, easy to reposition. I was able to pull it over. All of this, I've not had to use the heat gun once. Now that shows how good the film is. It didn't crease, it didn't bubble any bubbles. They're easy to take out. So yeah, I'd say this is some quality stuff. This is some good shit. So I'm not going to show you how to do the finishing on all of it. If you do want to see how the finishing is done on a bonnet, you can have a look at my playlist and I have another video for you.